Mr. Skill.
Ay ngwana ka le afela le rato ya.
Mamedi wa selama sa Lesotho tla re shebana ko metsotso e 24 a metso e mene pele ho hora yane ya bohlano tsa sama monate on Friday lenana ke le monate la modikong wa batjha ha bo qeta bolela sa le mashe ga amela madale me entse re tsama monate le DJ Let's Get the best collab on air ke timbo ka ota e be kopane tsa tsela ka jeno on a beautiful Friday re tsa bonnete ba go hotle mo lentshe o natefelwa ke lenana o natefelwa ke sena sa le matsa tsela ka jeno me sa tsa go jetsa ga ba le ba itse tsa tsela ka jeno bona
Radio station at T-Best DJ Man DJ Let's Get the Itinera tatsenga le la jeno fela mo tsama sa Lesotho re dijena re shebe dintho tse monate wena mamedi wa sa Lesotho ho bona monate nga metsotso e mashume a mabedi re lebile hore nga jane ya bohlano tatsenga le la
ke was caramel topa ke yona ntho e kesma
Oh, no, come on. There's a brothers in the house. Why you are those series? Oh, you are those series. I'm feeling you are loving. But I will tell me more. How we mona take.
Yeah.
Otherwise, my small house will tell us we could let them enter mona declare that thing and then like a channel. On which in Chela, I never got him up until. Then the first interview I had with him, kick at 20, I think 16 or 15.
yeah.
It was like referred to me by one good friend of mine, Chere Morton, Kim Mapito Flop. Then been in the game. Then how are you 2025? When we're talking about that time, it means it's Bowman 9 years ago.
Yeah.
You know, 9 years what the one mat. Well, you know, I got with our daddy or mommy, you are messing up. Otherwise, skin to holo, Kimoshana Mokuina, or Kimura Mokuina, one time. Nah, easy, brothers. Hoye tse dintho tsena ba etseng a yeg. Sesotho hana se.
O botlo go difositse atiki. Motho ha a nyise ka mokoputana mayonnaise le di.
Yeah, that's it. O ene pi, bunyana.
Bunyana ba ka ntlo go le ka hopola.
La hopola. Re ngele fa monyetla o le mo dise ba Sotho la ba betsa mabitso a rona feletse. Ga tse ba tswela pele ka ditaba tsa rona tsa tsenga lena la tje.
Na ke tholiwa thata ntsontsho African original hantle ka sebele moga mokwena monna moyi ntse ke tsamaya le monna e so thweng ke Bibo tla itlhalosa monna ena yeso
na ba mamedi le bitso la ka ke bokantho wa stage name sa ka ke Bibo ba ka nthola hohle marang tloa Facebook wa TikTok le YouTube
Mana ntse mona Bibo ha o tlo go switchela lo yena o sana go go so wena mama e hlo Bibo for you
Bibo for you
la o so le ditebilo ka nna jang le
le ha se ke di
la se le di dialo ka nna di
ka nne
tla go ntse le Bibo ke bana bo moga mokwena nna ba ga khona wona ha sa dikela tseno hle se re bo moga mokwena one time I would you know sa le sa ka ditaba mona he might take home anytime ka ba ga botse
a ding hlo ba ka nnete la ba se ba tshofa ba hey ha sa bapala ba
o sa le se ga se ba la sa le sala mobi otherwise man ha o utlwe mona na pele re tlokela ke bena tsa the new song tsa tsenga le la ka jeno ha re qetela go bua mona re ntse re bua ka hore there's a stable that it is tsa moshweshwe. How are things going with tsa moshweshwe?
Tsa moshweshwe ntse le team e teng ka nnete ntse le lelapa le teng jwalo ka ha boholo ba nako re na le batho be leng hore ba ntse ba kena ba na le ditalenta tse fapakaneng tse ntjha ho ntse na le batho ba kenang jwalo so yeah hlile ntse le lelapa le teng
from na when re qetela go bua to now lapa ntse le hola. All right, taba tsa bohlokwa mamedi se masala sotho ke a tshepa wa di tseba tsa moshweshwe
Mahadi remix
ska ya mo ska
ke a go ba tshwarelo ya Mahadi
ska ma lithem
fela a tsa bophelo ha bo fe empa ya bona taba ke ne ke re ya Mahadi.
Okay, so my take on that before ya whole man, tell me this, how so etsa hale kapa how would you feel if you get motho e mong featured on your song then it looks like he shines more on it than you? Not even I'm not scared of he killed it or fate. Hobane go pa dintho ka tsela tse fapaneng. Ke a hopola hore incident ena e with so many artists and they are all my boys, man. I hope they won't have a problem having mentioned here. Like GDF Narak situation.
And the Koto situation.
Went down. Leone Mahadi also went down.
Yes.
This one
even Bahali recently, you know, so yeah, into the lines.
Oi, sharp.
From Mashara, and I'm not sure Bahali. Shout out to him, citizen. I'm telling you, I can need the Monen, I saw and I look like a whole on Mahadi was one of the producers belong or Pinino. So he saw ten hayetala Monin Mawabona, personally Pelahahu. So don't Honalaga Hayeta Hagabahalia Bahonore, Yana, Alikohi, Balia. Go live but Hayetala as well as Mutiani. Go on a side, Eva situation in the show Yabalika Balia Island.
So now I get it like ki hona le yengwe he e one ke bone with that this time and Yamba Shungu. They would come in studio, try and make a joint. How long must I do? I'm not sure of when I get a guy. But when I lay long it's about handling the beginning, I had this. Yaba, Emunwa Pita, Usia project, Taylor half. Emunga Haimona writer's blog, you know, later on, Haisa to until Hoso below to be never familiarly with the other artists, and it's like I got Emu was a Hilemu. You know, so you have to Buemo nobody about thing, but the artisti, Kadipina, Moshala, we disclose a song, we discuss a project. Next minute, it's and too close to it. Up until now, how do we work about it? Are we involving legal teams? Kapo,
most of the time, long way, so have a sentence a hono bisan. Hash, if you was more. But have a honor, bisan, and do the fatly, linked more, or listen, it's an itaba. I, Kiona, Keko, Tibisan or more, with your non-trouble. Tibisan or more,
all right. Gaba kwa buti to casket dip. Who have fella? How long was I looking chantati? I want young fair. You feel? Hey, otherwise, man, it's a good name. It's a good name. So much. So Abuti, at the current moment, we don't see the project in that. We see the basso
Can it be named Chais? I have a lemon dental, so you do that Maranganga about TikTok. So I need to go on TikTok man sent by Tabella, who in the trend. ke bone e mongwe entse trend ke a monna eno a e swentse go bua ka ena Citizen go tle ke Lesotho so yeah it's one of the songs tse leng gore batho ke bone gore ba di thabela TikTok mane e bitswa Ntloele ke tsamaye
Ntloele ke tsamaye
re go bue pelo ka di Valentine kgwedi ene e fetileng e le kgwedi
bro for real
speaking of which I hear ka serena tabele yo di artist di ntseng di ngodisa molemo wa go ba tseba go fumana ditsiane lona la haka ya tabeng ka go se ra sheballa ka go bapala mahala
ya ka nnete re le ga e bona gore ai ehlile hana ke le sekgosa ka nnete ntse sebetsa le yona re se re fumane difomo tse ntse jwalo ka nnete ra ngodisa ehlile ne sentse le taba tse le ga di tseba o tlola le mo 15 so ka gola nna ke ngodisitse le mo sena 15
great stuff you nana we vale ngwana ka back to the heartbreak bro ke a tseba gore sometimes it's not really personal stuff sometimes it is and banna bele nna ke sa rata ba monna mo wa Mosotho ntshitse o thata ba monna
o motlile
e mongwe ka nnete ntshibeleng ke bona ona
ke tswa le kae ha ba fetwa le shola bona go ka conference a sa mannete je le conference ke foi
matha
apele la bona hatate ba e bona le wena YouTube mo ne le number di a dumela ka mo matho
ba fetho jole ntloeleng ke tsamaya ntlohele ke tsamaya ke manga ntse le bona Bibo come on with it
ke tsona ditaba tsena I remember this one year in a Valentine
okay
so I'm with this chick so ebe ke mo rekela dipalesa ebe ha ke mo isetsa dipalesa tsena ke thola ana le mojita o mo
ndade
yo
come in bearing gifts how did you mana motho
ka nnete ha ke fihla ke thola ana le motho e mo so
ya ga Valentine tla fela tla di memo
chila ba ke sa di tseba di Valentine o tloa ho
o mo so tsa
ke sa di
mona bele o tsebe ona le batho na ba reng baby ona we don't celebrate Valentine's man ke Valentine o bona every day le elo wena la ba ba lo wa ba tlo bana bele thothi Valentine ya every day bele le ona
memory tsa di Valentine for some ha di monate ka nnete so nna
so man tell me this o fumana motho na le motho o etsa bang wa checka wa tsama ka po
ke a gola ka o bana ke motho a ratang ho lwana ka nnete ke le go le bete gore fela ke itukolle
o itlosa ba yentse go jole e re go ka moga mo a o si una le effort ya la etsa gore aka re le so nna
ho ha
never say a word
ya ba go fedile go jalo fe
a ba o fedile ke a gola e lampa ba o swaba ka nnete o ba a kere ka nnete o ba swaba motho a o thutse right handed
ai mona mo ra se red handed me holo ye red and black ai yo chai cause man like black is cloud man like red is so much blood in it
ke fala ko pelo ne wa tla le ka hlonka mo go
ke le go ka nnete
o ba matena phalla ka tlo sa singane
so how do we come about mo re tsetelle le re se repeatile remix a mo kwena lena le montsheng le painkiller ba ikutla gore ba o tshidisa kapa le bona ba share
experience
a hle le gona nna kana le experience e tshwanang be se ga ka o ba ka nnete maikutla a hao ke maikutla kana le lona ha o hlomatla ka
let's do this perfect na di bua ga na ditaba ntle go imamele pine ke imamele pine na pele number 1 radio station a best DJ Chuck Dizon don't go wana
taba tsa ka di hlakile di hlakile bana ebile ke pheta le gore na go tloa ka ba mmona na go ntsalang ka nnete ya ba go ntse etsalang go fihlela bele se re ka bana be lo rati ka bona rati motho na ihlile ha o sa le monate
fela mo kwena mona bele go ona ke gola coaster monna ona ba ke a hopola ngwana go no mo tshela gore
ke go
ga go no haisa se di ile tsa cha
ka nnete ana tsena
Akibona mpati wa T's and C's apply. Okay, furniture.
Mamedi o sa masala Sotho hle itseletse metsotso re fraletse hora ya bohlano re kena jalo mokgatlong o qetela wa modikong wa batjha letsatsing la kajeno tsa tsamaya monate le Moramokwena le Ntate Bibo letsatsing la kajeno hle bona ba tsana ke Ntate Bibo khana re itse re samathela ka mane ka ditabeng ga go tlo rena ebe ba re tshwaretse dife mme go se go tlile ga tseba re la ba tshepisa ga re gutla fela re tlo mamela ntlohele ke tsamaya now.
Witness the skill.
I wanna carry a fella Lily give a shout, yeah. Choco melon when I go bar. I feel it down. They are feeling down. When I'm too ready to mine, you head out to mine. I like you wanna walk to shop. If you need a pajama to mine, you head out to mine. You head out to mine. I like you wanna walk to shop. If you need a pajama to mine, I'll see it, I'll see it. I'm tired of seeing it, I'll see it, I'll see it. I'm tired of God now, I'll see it, I'll see it. I'm tired of seeing it, I'll see it, I'll see it. I'm tired of God now. I wanna go with you, what's in the fairy? Pero eu soba, wero bi kawana kitane things ka ba mjisi umbapala tabo hlonile bo masiri umfapanya le mapantsola le mahipi unseisa ka batho di utsepi eu hale tika phone tulezeri how gonna treat am sekari shari haunte eu hale tika phone tulezeri and I sing hands on us into the Moaro, Untisi, fire. Deep down the red out of the motor, you tattle on my trunk, or whatever better. Chocomela to shake the Engelavato, Billy Petty, or Petty Engelavato. I'm a one, I give back to the tower, who so to the bit and trail against a man. But better than one, I give back to the tower, who so to the bit and trail against a man. I've got fire, I give you all now. Yeah, but so sad. Oh, mamela. Bilu ya kebata wena, nakibana wena fela. Oh, baby. When I want to get to my
Mkohela ke tsamaya.
Hele ke tsamaya.
Ke mametse ka hloko ya bua le nna.
Lentsele no hape ke mang this lady ang ka nne go go tshwarela.
Ma Montse?
Ke Montse.
Ke ne re le monate. Tshai bohloko.
Hey, re ke
Ai ma ro songs Hana Kiaman Leon it's a challenge but it's an USA song. I wanna like loving someone without them. Love you, with you, without you. Something. Vale mona ja uko mona ke bitwa sutitse ba. Sina monate ma. Wa busi ma e boko. Very why uko ndo. Bo love the most ne. Safari somewhere else. Hana chala ni Nicki Minaj. Uko yo. Buzz, man. Buzz.
Pina is hot.
Oh, my child. Pina kyo. Bro, hesh, magabani. Message me. I think you was my sister. I want to go with a love song. To sing along with me. Why was in her big song?
And of course, because I know emotional. I'm gonna focus on
Hey, who actually you put on my show? What would be there? Like what?
no broken-hearted girl. I'm like,
You see, my hair, Ramon, Halasutana Valent, Ramona and Mona and Quellem, Mona and Quella and Fella Mona, who follow Faye.
Hello tomorrow. Call like you want to shop.
Maybe you're not baby, you can play like it. I can't tell.
You do hello tomorrow. Call like you want to shop. I'll see
What that man most of you know let's say what was deep.
yeah.
So that was deep. They said bina our pants bavumile.
Shake bona ka batho ba se thuhle go utlwa bohloko ona le ngwe a ha bua ka dipina tsena e bina mona ba re lerato le fedile di khomo di boela sakeng like our people se shege re feletse
But guys, tell me this. Nna go hana le tsena ba tse ke bona e bile se bile re dietsa tsa magogo bo thula bo re etsa bo magogo bona all the good things anyway re dietsa tsa magogo a fetso re tlo nepa ne
a tseba sentse re kala hanyane re nepa hobane o hopola le bona mmino na bona re qalile lo utlwa ka hore re batho ba rate ka pa fatshe le ga mohele re tlameha re bine bo ka sekgwa fe ba hona tsena se re bina ka se re embrace we are go re se re ithata hore na re bo manga le Basotho so ka nnete ya hanyane
divorce rate tlo theowa
yeah divorce rate tlo theowa
hey one man one woman
divorce rate tlo theowa batho ba bo ba tlo tlela
let's advocate it's up to you guys also lona batho ba dina
ba tlo tlela ba tla tšhelete a go lo utlwisisa ka nnete a tseba ka phelo ha ba le thaba
you guys are. Now, coach, I found my experience. My experience. Bro, not my experience, personal experience, but something I know from someone else, from a friend. Because that's for Panganity behind. No, not personal experience, but somebody. There's somebody who vents on me. I haven't done and I said, Mutuenwa, Khadumilana Garen. It's cheap. How not about you was I? In a given budget, la Hudu was a Hudimono, Bunyane, Kitlawana, Mutu, you wins over. Did you guys really are on Motano Morich?
Manal.
Bro, Motane hat or Manal. Motana hat or we can do with the water while in nine. The same Catalana or Ravaka like 2x2 picnic stuff, no. Oshaka wa rebeba rebebe ke lebeki a ke wa tsaba na he hu bua kae ka maseo and come on ka mo bua ka maseo wa ke go utlo ha u yourself hu bua klabo ga ke ga tsa ya go botsa di tse ka le di ya go sala pili ha je geshe go wa utlo na ba ono pele banna ya mohlang mo re okay bro na ke khathetse I'm not going anywhere what's on way. Baby, we're trying to go out with all my girls. Can you please finance me? Straight up. Moshatatine le ngo kopana la motho a feta fela ka baby o ngekele mogaga. Baby to lata number 1. O mo lata ka mafoga. He ya tu. Ha bon. Na hana na tena motho a fela go nna ke go pa o tlo lata masiano ke. Go ditsa mohlala. Ka ba tlo lata Hanneles. Hanelese a ka tloa ka fete wa go je
I'll save it a few.
ya ba o savetse maforang go ka mo romella 20 rand eno ka ditsaptsap ma ga le o batla baby ya tlo molata wena o tloa ka masego ya Hanelese ke le kgolo ya bodi o
le teng o mo tshelle 20 rand e le lwana haji wa kwa lwena
yona mo wa motho wa palama ka 20 rand
na ya santsa sheba hona le mo a tshelang 100 rand ka ha o tshela 20
ma vale
women are born receivers naturally ka tlholego basadi ba etseditse go receive. This is
Ha re etse- ha re etse-
ke a educate. Monna o tla phela ka mofufutso wa phatla a sebeletse mosadi ena. Gona mosebetsi wa rona re le bomme we are helpers. Lona you provide.
Ha re etse ntho bonolo. Ha re etse ntho bonolo.
Because it's
Ha
not
re kopanye mame abuti ha re etse ntho bonolo bonta ha re etse ntho bonolo sing along loud ha re etse ntho bonolo ha re etse ntho bonolo I wish you get talk women are helpers guys what do you help us with cause you're emotionally wrecking us
how be a phofu ke a soka ke tsa papa ha o
ha re nne Masakumo ba yetsa go tsena nka bitsa empa fela ke sa batla o marketa shopelo nka e bitsa ka le bitso no wa o batla o jata mo o batla o jata mo o bona ke ngwe
hape ba re liva le stress sa lona you understand
la dilon ke di dios
o sala go bomme a bon receivers se tsona go le go meshele
ntshena e bonolo bona
bonaje a go meshele
ata bomme ba ba hloka gore le bua stress lo re fete bana
and let's have an talk to live stress of the shouts
shout and nye
snagana
and vitamin
nna ha o so le tsatsa tsena he
as long as we have those two
wala ka go bina ka thata mo bina ka thata
how come out do phela jwang because let's have na bophelo ka ntlogo
nna ke ana ka
ha le na bophelo ka ntlogo
nanga sa ba
o thola mo ntso sheba o fihlela o
tla fella ka dinaki
bondat nna ke le tsena ha le mpona ke le tsena as a man I get allowance
you don't understand with it paging with the hangati ba o khathetse ka ba ha thabele banna ba sa betšheng ha ba go ka o suta o betšha mosadi betšha loto as long as o betšha bontate betšhang
aga chaise ke regetsi ga nne
and o sa le batsitsa mohlala
ba di senye di polese
o sa settle standard tsa se ya godimo mane betšhang ba holwane betšhang that is not all the bench.
Go past keys, I'm sorry. Abut, let's last words. Let's educate Bashut. Get a opinion and fighting. The song is out. And play the guitar.
and the
visuals. Hagen pin here. Before we talk about the visuals and what's coming next, Hagen pin the right way to go. Hand for us to keep in relationships. Re re bule re le ka ga kamano tsa la ga tola ka manyalo go tla mengwe tsa kofi
a tseba nna ke nana ya pele ke tlhompho mothanda o tla me a hlomphe mothamme a hlomphe mothanda hobane ha o se o sa hlomphane phoso se le teng le ha e be ka bang di le teng ho no buisanwe ka tsela e bontshang
tlhompho mang ke mang
ntse e bontsha tlhompho e seng
Mr. Bibo okay
a shinanga ke tlhompho le ka ntata sa tsholo ya ba tlhompho tshebedisano mmoho le puisano.
How do we manage the finances?
Taba ena ditšhelete thata go la tseba
batho ba bomme taba ena tšhelete
o ka ba di kamano tsa lerato ka ponya la mosadi ya nang le tšhelete ngata feta yang
mosadi a nang le tšhelete o feta ka ke tla mo nyala ha eba ke mo rata e le gore ke kgetha ena a nang le tšhelete ha eba ke mo rata
taba e la ka le sea tlhompho o sho e tlo ba teng
ke nana gore e ka ba teng a ke re ha o etsa qeto ya go nyala o etsa qeto ya go nyala gobane go na le tlhompho ka ga lelapa go na le communication like we said le yona tshebedisano mmogo empa ha di le siko dikamano tse kang tseno ka nnete ha re nyale
Mohamed, qualities that you look at or you look for from a woman?
Ha ke rate mosadi a sa sebetseng a sena tšhelete e se bro ke sa bontshitse hey ya
Ho ba monna.
Ka nnete e sapo sa go bontshitse gore ka nnete ka ne a sebetse re bona go seredi wa sebetsa ke yona taba bohlokwa
Ka mora moo.
a tseba batho ba ba batlang kwatela ba batlang kwatela mpa he
Chofe. Sukere. Ka ditla ka mona ba ya ka mona ona le all kinds of protection.
a tsa taba bohlokwa nna ke shebe botho ba hae ke bona gore na ka nnete ke motho a itlhomphang tlameha a itlhomphe
Botle.
thade a tsena botla ke mono ka bona tsa botle
Manga pasa nwe.
a tsa hona le yo e ka khala tlo khutela tabenyane ya ka wa itlhompha
Wa fa di etsa ka mona pa.
haebe wana ka tsela e itlhomphang ha rena mathata ha itlhomphe ya ba kholo ko ga itlhomphe ya botle ntate re ke nga ga mpere le batho ba bontate go sheba bo batho ba bomme ba batla.
Okay guys, ha re ga papeng he. Mo itse le visuals tsa ntwele ke tsa mae ditlane.
Yena ha ke ba bona ke remix. Re la ho la monne no e subibola ntsha wa original pe. Ha ba ga e wotlela di visual tsa teng sentse di le teng YouTube mane.
Di na le ba 2 weeks.
Di na le 2 weeks di tswile. So ka nne di ba rentshena remix he jwale le yona go hana di visual di tla ba teng.
Ke bana na le tsa pina ka nna ka pa le tsa pina ka nna.
A tsba lo sana re ga e hatisa ya ba
Di le tsona salon tse pisa.
ha o ke tsho ke re ga e etsa lo sana wa e thola
O kwa se ke bua mo ye.
re ga e etsa ntate re tla e
Mamelo sa sa beke tlang ho tla bona le the new jingle style movie.
ka nnete
Tsa Friday.
Tsa Friday.
Tsa DJ Let's Eat.
re tlo di
The collabo.
re tlo di tlisa
Alright. Okay guys, ha re fetella here, what's the next project for you guys?
ehlile ntse re phepha mmino mongata holo le ntate bibi mona le monneno a se re nang le yena ka diphapusing ka kwano Blue Shrine le yena o simontshe nge re yana wa Basotho ka nnete o tla tisitse haholo o tla futhumetse haholo so Basotho can look out for her but ehlile ho ntsona le nthonyana tse dintse tse di pheya
And we are definitely on the lookout. Hopefully get so. Won't that we will go alone because we are going to meet again.
ntlele ke tsamaya
Adios. Ntwele ke
Sa
tsamaya.
re tletse ba holo lona ba tlo betha.
Khona with that. We are.
Jalo ga na le tšhelete
It's a
straight.
rap.
Na, na, na,
e
na,
sa
na,
pona ka nnete ke bone ha
For as long as now
My